Tara, hanap tayo ng table. Hanap tayo ng table. Sana meron tayong mahanap. You just get home. Why are you so wet? You wet, honey. Oh, you wet. What are you doing?
It won't lock in if you don't. If the seeds are up there.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning! I'm wearing this one right here. Wolverine. I think it's Wolverine or whatever. Wak-wak. Sa vlog. Hi guys! Before tayo mag-continue sa vlog guys, i-introduce ko sa inyo itong glasses na sinuot ko is from Firmoo. They sent this to me. And then, I just want to let you know that this glasses is para magprotekta sa mata. Kasi palagi akong nasa computer, guys. And also, ang number nito, guys, is 939. Yung dimension pala nito, guys, 51mm yung length niya dito. At saka also, yung dito siya, guys, kung ano siya kataas, 138mm. At saka yung andito niya so is 19mm. And ang dito is 48mm yun. And ang size niya from here to here, 147mm. So yun. This is in the size medium. Meron silang 50% off if you're interested. Ilagay ko yung link niya guys sa description box. If you're interested on purchasing, kung gusto nyong bumili ng glasses from Firmoo. At saka yung link ng glasses nito, okay? Very, very lightweight. Please check the link down below, guys. The link of this glasses. And yeah, so yun lang, guys. Let's continue to my vlog. Bye, guys. Today is Monday. And time check, it is 10:54, almost 11 o'clock. And, you know, binalik ko naman ito, guys, yung ito. Kasi, yung kamay ko, hindi na siya, yung poison ivy anyway, guys, hindi na siya sobrang kate. So, ang ano ko na lang is, meron pa siyang mga, yung medicine na nilagay ko, yung Benadryl na nilagay ko is good for itching. Also, it's good also, yung mga poison ivy, yun. So, yun, Benadryl yung nilagay ko. And it works. Also, yung binili din ni Tami na pang scrub. Sinuot ko na naman ito para hindi maklaro yung ano ko. And, aalis lang tayo. Punta tayo sa ShopRite. And also, punta ako guys sa Big Lot. Punta ako doon. Sana makahanap ako ng table. Yung computer table. Yung parang ilagay ko yung sa lamisa yung mga computer ko. Yung dalawang computer ko. Yung isa binili ni Tami para sa gaming. Also guys, nilabhan ko yung mga brushes dito guys. Yun. Kasi matagal nang hindi na lilinis. So yun, nilalabhan ko lang sila. Hi Rox! Good morning! Good morning, baby. Come up here. Oh, you've been waiting for mama, huh? I'm gonna close my filming room, okay? Aloy. Putus. Dada will be here later. Yes, he will be here later. Yes, baby. Yes. Oh, love mo na ni mama, oy. Who is my princess? Who's my princess? Who's my princess? Is Roxy my princess? This is my baby. Ay, ganda-ganda ng baby ko. I'm just gonna go out and then Dada will be here later. And then I'm just gonna pick up something because, you know, Dada is coming. And I need to get some vegetables to Dada that he can eat something. And then I will. Then Grandma also. Dada and Grandma will be here. I know. Wait, not yet. I will be right back.
Well, then, you know, CBS, they thing. It's just like what they do best.
What's going on?
I don't know. I went to pick up the medication. I said, no refills. What do you mean no refills? I said, the last pickup was the first one I got. I said, that's because your people deleted the wrong one. No, they didn't. They deleted the right one. No, they deleted the right one when I spoke to them on the phone and found out they deleted the wrong one.
Is Mom went to doctor in May because you have that appointment?
Which doctor?
Hala, the doctor heart. Han, remember January, February, we make an appointment and they said no, they cannot make an appointment until May something.
Yeah, that's fine. But her next appointment is December.
Okay. We're gonna go out. Oh, there's a dog. Hala. There's a dog. Andito ako sa loob ng sasakyan pero yung ano ko nanonood ako ng video sa YouTube Kaloka. I-open pala ko itong ano. Ayaw ko talaga itong mga maglakad-lakad na ako lang. Yung mga parang sana may kapitbahay ako na kaibigan ko, yung Pinay. Sana may Pinay dito, pero walang Pinay. Malayo yung mga Pinay andun sa city. Halos yung mga Filipino andun sa city. Wala akong mga nakitang mga Filipino na andito sa lugar namin. Wala. Mayroong mga Filipino pero umalis siya. Yung na-meet ko sa Walmart, umalis sila o doon sila, pumunta sila sa Massachusetts, bitch, you.
What?
Wala din akong na-meet na iba. Wala na talaga. Ba't parang may buhok pa rin? Ano ba to Anyway, so I opened the thing. I will probably cut the grass later in front of our house. Later, I think. Hala, oh my god, hindi ko alam kung meron akong wallet. I don't know where's my wallet. Let me see. Hala, wala dito. Where's my wallet?
Once you're already at the highway, so once you're on the highway, it's only 5 minutes.
Okay, I guess I'm going over there because if I need grocery, so they have a big creamer over there, right? At Walmart.
A big who?
Creamer. Big one.
I got it. I don't know. I don't know. They don't. They don't carry the big creamer.
Okay.
Well, we need one?
Yeah, it's little here.
I mean, I can pick one up. But, look to see if they have the catnip flavored treats. If they do, get a couple of them.
Okay.
I've never seen them in a big bottle, so if they have a big bottle, obviously that's where they go, but I never seen them in a big bottle. So at least 2 of the regular ones.
You get the catnip one, but it's not in a bottle. It's in a bag.
No, I can find them in a bag, but they're way expensive when you buy them in a bag. See if they have them in the containers.
Okay, catnip, right?
Yeah.
Maghanap na lang ako dito ng table. Baka meron sila. Maraming magagandang frames. Yan, ang ganda. Ito ay ang ganda. Hello, ang ganda yan. Simple. Nice. Sobrang lang siya. The Pioneer Woman. Dito, maganda siya. Gustong-gusto ko dito kasi ang daming magagandang pang kitchen stuff. Dito, ang dami. Dami as in. Tara, hanap tayo ng table. Hanap tayo ng table. Sana meron tayong mahanap kasi gusto ko na talaga ng computer table sa filming room ko. Yun, sige, hanap tayo. Wala man akong nakita. Maganda itong breakfast table na to ay. Maliit, 4 lang. At hindi mataas. Kasi kailangan namin ng breakfast table. Ito yung mga wala man silang office, Wala silang pang office. Computer table, wala. Tignan natin sa kabila, dun sa kabila. Gusto ko to, Ang ganda niya. Magkano ba to? 248. 248. Maganda siya. Wala man sila, guys. Wala. Dito na lang tayo sa mga damitan. Tingin-tingin. Wala sila. Okay, I'm done here at Walmart. So now, going home. I can't find any like a table, table office, the computer table, something like that. Wala akong mahanap. Doon sa Pilipinas, maraming manlilimos, diba? Yung manlimos, yung mag-ask ng tulong. Marami. Dito din, ang dami din. As in. Palaging may bigay si Tami kapag may mag-stop sa kanya magbigay. Last night lang yung narinig ko na sabi niya wala siyang cash. So yun lang yung narinig ko, pero most of the time talaga si Tami magbigay yan, guys. Mga lalaki pa, guys, malalakas pa talaga, guys, yung pagtrabaho pa talaga sila ba. Yun. Makapagtrabaho pa sila. Ayan, dami yan dito guys. So, ano guys, yung computer table ko parang sa online ata ko lang ito makukuha kasi wala talaga. Yeah, I'm home guys. Bulingit ko guys. Oh my God. Sumakit yung ulo ko sa music. Grabe talaga ako makapa-music. Uy, ang lakas. And then I realized after, pagkatapos kong andito na ako sa loob, para yung ulo ko para nag-ulap-ulap pa, na ganon-ganon yung ano ako, brain. Tommy is here. Hi guys, my baby. You just get home. Why you're so wet? You wet, honey. Oh, you wet. Oh, you wet. Okay. Okay. There's chicken here, and then I'm gonna start cooking. Okay. What are you cooking? What do you think? You gonna order something? What is this over here? Is this SOS? Namit namin yung kapitbahay pala namin. Katatapos ko lang nag-cut ng grass. Kinat ko na yung sa front yard namin. And then sa back. Si Tami na lang yung sa malapit sa neighbor. Yung kapitbahay namin yung nag-continue sa ano namin sa grass. Yung kapitbahay asawa niya. Magluluto pa ako guys. 6:30 na guys. Sleep na ako. Magluluto lang ako ng veggies. Ito talaga asawa ko. Tignan niyo kung ano yung mga binibili-bili. Ito, para yan sa pusa at aso. Meron ba ako? Wala. Wala ako guys. Wala.
Jack it up.
Labas kami guys.
Oh, God.
What's killing you?
My fucking arm is killing me. When I went on that hill, it went like this. I'm pulling like this.
Yeah,
Like,
it works. Why you give me this freaking pear?
what do you do?
No, I don't eat pear. Look at this, he give me. May bunga na yung prutas.
Oh, look at that.
We have a lot in the backyard, Han.
What am I going to get? Oh.
Hala, deer!
Yeah, right in the middle of the street.
Deer in the street. Ayun, hindi nyo makikita, guys. Kaloka. Marami kaming hala. Sana, I hope he won't kill that deer. There's a car behind us.
Oh, we hope not.
That you just said,
I gotta blindfold you next time you're in a car.
then I'm gonna have heart attack.
Nope. Only have a heart attack when you see something coming. If you don't see it coming, you never know until it happens.
No, and then I'm gonna have heart attack because of the tooth. of like...
Oh, because you think what's going to happen. I got it. So losing what?
Watch out.
Huh? You gonna just keep doing that? Huh? You gonna just keep doing that? Huh? You gonna just keep doing that?
You just gonna keep doing that? That's nice. I can just walk.
Oh, good. This is nice.
I don't. Oh, we seen this house. We look at this house.
Yeah, it wasn't so.
We look at that house.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you remember, Han?
Yeah, because I remember a big star on it.
Yeah, we seen that house. We don't like it. There's a lot of renovation and stuff.
This is nice.
Down and then stop. Oh my God, again.
He's still looking at you. He's like, what the fuck's wrong with these two people? I like it like these.
Anyway guys, katatapos lang namin kumain. So how's the vegetables? Do you like it?
I know you want everybody to complain with you, but they're not going to.
Nag-start na og itch. Start a little bit. Start now. Why is it all the night? Overnight start. Tignan nyo guys. Meron na. Oh, nakalimutan ko. Lutuin ko sana siya ngayon. Tignan nyo guys. Meron na guys. Oh. Meron na. Kailangan ko pang i-ano doon kasi wala siyang ano. Kapitan. Ito yung nag-una nagbunga kasi sobrang maraming vitamins ang soil dito. So yun kaya una siyang nagbunga. Ayusin ko nga doon na guys. Hold. Akong magandang bulak doon guys magandang bulaklak yan ay daming magandang bulaklak doon. I just put that yesterday. They eat a lot, hon. Somebody's happy here. Oh my goodness.
Like empty.
Yeah.
Hey, geez.
Give me that. Give me that.
I'm gonna have to bring two in now.
Hmm?
Oh, you can close this record, yeah.
I think I did.
No, you...
What are you doing?
It won't lock in if you don't. If the seeds are up there.
No. Oh, I thought you didn't leave it there. Nada-dry na. And, di ba galing ako sa Walmart, guys? Bumili ako ng damit. Hindi naman sila na damit. Ito lang siya. Dito yung mga damit ko, guys. O, hindi ko na inano. Ito, nagustuhan ko siya, guys. Yung tila din niya. Yan. At saka yung color niya. tank top. And ito siya. Yan. Masusuot ko man ito guys, mga ganito. Pero dapat may, tawag nito may parang cover. Kasi alam na, ayaw ko ng mga kita-kita yung ilok. Ito siya. Alam nyo ba kung magkano to guys? $5. And nagkumuha ako ng puti. Pero it's that, you know, parang may ano siya. Yan. Meron doon yung itim at saka itim and then puti yung dot niya. So, ito is, gusto ko siya. $5 lang ito, guys. Large din siya. Wala siyang medium. Meron silang small, pero naliitan ako sa small. Ito siya, mas mahal-mahal. Maganda siya. As in, nagustuhan ko, guys. Yung tila din niya. Wala din silang ano, guys. Anong size ba ito? Nakuha ko. Oh, ito is small. Pero ang laki ng small nila, guys. Pero alam nyo naman, gusto ko yung mga malalaking mga damit. Malaking damit. So, yun. Ito is $13.94. It's like $14. What do you think about this?
That's good.
You like the color?
Yeah.
This one. Oh, no. This one too. Last. $5 and...
Cool.
Hindi gumagana yung TV. Pati